they are magicians. We didn't have any teeth, and now we have teeth. My mom and dad's smiles, warms my heart. I mean, I came here to make sure they had teeth, and now they've got teeth, and they're very, very happy. When I see them eat now, I think it's fantastic. It's been absolutely worth it. Hello, my name is Anwar Mohammed. We're from Dallas, Texas. My search for dental work started in Dallas. My mom and dad, both 75 and 76 years old, and they needed full mouth dental work. We got it priced in America, and the prices were $50,000-$60,000 US for my mom, $50,000-$60,000 US for my dad. So my dad didn't want to wear dentures. And my mom wore dentures for several years, but she wanted to have her own teeth. So I started my search online, came across Dr. Mayur's website. The reviews were awesome. There's only one word I can use to describe our full experience here. It was just outstanding. Dr. Mayur, his wife Darshana, just everybody have been absolutely fantastic. They've been patient with us. They've been loving and caring to my senior citizens, parents. My mom and dad both have lots of medical complications. They took care of that. Before coming here, we were obviously concerned about cleanliness, hygiene, infections, swelling, etc. But it's been absolute pleasure coming over here. We've saved a fortune, obviously, coming over here. And Dr. Mayur made us feel very, very comfortable. Dr. Darshana has been excellent handling my elderly parents, my wife and I. We'll be forever grateful to both of them. Maybe the one word I would use to describe this whole process is they are magicians. We didn't have any teeth, and now we have teeth. My mom and dad's smiles, warms my heart. I mean, I came here to make sure they had teeth, and now they've got teeth, and they're very, very happy. When I see them eat now, I think it's fantastic. It's been absolutely worth it. I would highly recommend Dr. Mayur and Dr. Darshana to anybody that might want to have dental work done. And like I said, we'll be forever grateful to both of them.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you feeling after getting your fixed teeth?
I'm fine. I'm doing very good. I eat everything I can.
Okay, and what was your problem before getting a fixed teeth?
I could not eat properly because my dentures were shaking all the time.
And I hope you had a lot of medical problems.
Yes.
And still we went very smoothly with your treatment.
Wonderful, yes.
Are you feeling comfortable now?
Yes, wonderful. I like
and
it.
Are you feeling happy?
I'm very happy, very, very happy.
Can you give us a good smile?
Yes.
Very nice, ma'am. How are you, sir?
Fine, sir.
So, how are you feeling after getting your fixed teeth?
Excellent.
And how long it took us to give you the fixed teeth?
About 3 days.
About 3 days.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So you are feeling now good?
100%.
Can you eat everything?
Everything.
And are you really happy?
Yeah, very, very happy.
Would you like to recommend Precigem Dental Clinic?
Yeah, he is excellent.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, I hope you have a great days in future and enjoy the foods. Have a fantastic smile. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.